Good morning. Up here at Sawmill Gap on the Bartram Trail. A little bit overcast this morning. Hope it's going to blow off. We are headed to Wallace Branch today. About 14.7 miles according to the guide. The trail continues that way. If you're heading towards Wayah Bald, we're going to be hopping over here. We will cross paths with the AT for about a 2+ mile stretch. We'll be going back up to Wayah Bald again. This is also a side path for Wine Springs Trail. We are headed this way. So let's take a hike. And of course, we're gonna start with a nice up. But the nice thing is once we are at Wayah Bald, it's pretty much downhill into Wallace. A little bit of a roller coaster, but definitely starting with a good climb. Most of the time when I get out here, I'm usually doing out and backs. So this morning, very thankful for my wife Leanna and her mom Loretta that they were willing to drive up here and drop me off and then pick me up so I can just do point to point instead of out and back. Definitely started with a little bit of an up this morning, but now it's kind of leveled out and it's almost like this is an old forest road here. So it's pretty cruisy right now. Hopefully by the time we get to Wayah Bald, this will have all blown off. Camera doesn't do it justice, but it came from down there. We're still climbing up there. Look at that view. Not yet. It's coming, I know it. And here we are, back at the junction. There's the campsite. I'll go out there and sign in on the logbook again. That way heads back down to Wayah Gap. That is going to head to Wayah Tower, Wayah Bald. That heads back to Sawmill Gap. 1.6 to the Bald. Let's stop over here real quick at the campsite, sign the log book, and get a drink. Let's see who's been here since I was last weekend. Oh, only one other person. Oh, atypical hiker. Just stopping by. Very cool. Watching you on YouTube right now. All right, 1.6 to Wayah Bald. We'll stop there and have a snack, drink. Hopefully we'll have a view, and then we will keep on heading to Wallace Branch. Last week when I came through here, this area was all packed in with snow and ice, and I had to put on the micro spikes for at least about half of the trip up to Wayah. But with the temperatures up in the upper 60s, pushing 70s in Franklin, it looks like we may have quite a bit of melt off, and hopefully no snow or ice. Sure is trying to clear up. We're getting close to Wayah. Man, what a difference 1 week made with those warmer temperatures, clearing out the snow and ice on this trail. This is fantastic. We got this down and then an up. And the tower, it's hard to make out right now through there, but it's right up on that ridge. So, almost there. No, I was wrong. That's that ridge line we were just looking at. That is not where the tower is. It is actually up in there. Final push to the top. That wind is blowing pretty great up here. But look at that. That's the tower right there. Look at that. How amazing. Absolutely incredible. Leaving Wayah Tower, headed north on the AT, and also headed towards Wallace Gap on the Bartram Trail. This is all new territory.